All right, so HTVRont sent me their hat press, so let's open it up and check it out. We got some instructions. We got the heat press, which is all in one little unit here. And then we got the form that you put the hat on, as well as a little carrying bag. Overall packaged really nicely. So let's open up this little like egg looking thing. This thing is packaged really nicely. All right, it looks like they sent me the purple one, and it has some very clear buttons on here, so let's get it set up. I really love that the base is all connected like this in one little shot. Before we do anything, we are going to take this lint roller and just make sure we got all the dust and debris off of this. And then I'm going to preheat the hat to remove any surface moisture. And then now I will take my graphic. I'm going to place it here. And then we will take some parchment to cover it, and then now we can do what we need to do. So I'm just going to squish this down, and then now it's going to count down. And I'm just putting medium to moderate pressure. So the settings we're using are 385 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm just guessing on this and hoping it works out. Alright, let's see if it worked. And not quite perfect. So this is a little on the flimsy side, so that definitely makes it harder to get the pressure that you need. Alright, I'm going to try rotating this thing and seeing if that helps. And I think it will. I think just the insert needs to be solid to make this perfect. Like, it works really well, but it would just be better if this was more solid, because you can't really put any kind of pressure on it. Alright, let's see if this one did better. Alright, now that looks like a lot better, but it's still not perfect. I just can't get the pressure I need, I think, with this, because it is so flimsy. But that doesn't look terrible. So it helps if you actually read the instructions. So you're supposed to actually put this on the inside and then do the hat like that, which still doesn't seem amazing, but it's a little bit better. So let's try it again. So the fact that the cover for the whole entire unit doubles as the structural base for this is pretty cool, and it's a pretty interesting design. Alright, let's try this again. So now I can put the pressure that I want to on here, and it's not flimsy. So always make sure you're reading the instructions. Alright, since this is a bit of a bigger design, we are gonna do this in two parts and do this top part. And again, just applying medium to moderate pressure. Hopefully this one turns out, because this is the last hat I have. Actually. Alright, time for the moment of truth. Oh, that looks so good! That came out looking really great. I love the unique design, and I highly recommend you guys pick this up if you're interested in making some hats. Overall, this little hat press ended up working really great, and it turned out a really cool hat.